4C hair is so beautiful. I had a lot of fun doing these twists for my nephew. Not only is it a dope, smart protective style for hair growth, but I think nephew might be back in the game. We're only using 4 products for this. Clean hair first. I am going to be blow drying his hair. Paul Mitchell heat protectant is what I'm using to make sure that his hair is protected from the direct heat. Anytime you're blow drying your hair, you want to make sure that you use a heat protectant. That way your coils or your curls stay nice afterwards. You will see me applying heat more so to the roots of his hair just because I don't need his hair to be bone straight for this style. I just want his hair to be stretched. Once I get the hair stretched to the length that I'm looking for, I just braid it, tuck it away, that way it stays. The most visible part of this hairstyle is going to be the middle part. So because of this, I want to make sure this part is nice and clean. So that's what I'm doing here, splitting his hair in 2, and then we'll get to the twists. The sections that I'm doing are going to be thick because that's the look that he wants. Now I'm ready to twist. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb for parting, this twisting cream for moisture back into his hair, edge control for his roots, and avocado oil to seal all of that back in. Once I get my section, I split that in half and then I twist and twirl. This is going to create plump, juicy twists. I do make sure each section is moisturized because dry hair causes breakage and we're not looking for that. Long, healthy hair is the goal. I want to clean parts here because this is the most visible part of the hair, so I do change up the technique just a little bit. I start off with a little braid and then twist it through. Doing the same thing on this side, twisting and twirling until I get to the most visible part of his hair. After completing the same steps in the back, nephew got a nice cut, and you tell me, I think he is back in the game. Look at how juicy and plump these twists are. Make sure you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more content, and thank you so much for watching.